Hey, let's talk about how you can start making money from home. Before we dive in, check the link in my video description to get your free guide, Affiliates Making Money with Amazon. It's packed with tips to help you get started with Amazon affiliate marketing, even if you're a total beginner. So, what is Amazon affiliate marketing? Basically, you recommend products you like, and when people buy through your special link, you get a small commission. No need to handle products, no customer service, nothing complicated. Just share what you love. Here's how to get started. First, sign up for the Amazon Associates program. It's free and takes just a few minutes. Once you're in, you'll get access to millions of products you can promote. Next, pick a niche. Tech gadgets, kitchen tools, fitness gear, books, you name it. Focusing on a niche helps you build trust and makes your content more valuable to your audience. Now, it's time to create content. You don't need a fancy website to start. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, honest reviews, how-to guides, top 10 lists. Just make sure to always use your unique affiliate link so you get credit for the sale. Want a quick tip? Be real. People can spot a fake promo from a mile away. Share stuff you actually use and explain how it's helped you. Your audience will appreciate your honesty and they'll be more likely to buy. Here's the cool part. Once you set up your content, those links can keep earning you money, even while you sleep. That's called passive income, and it's pretty awesome. But remember, results don't happen overnight. It takes time to build up your audience and see those commissions roll in. Stay consistent, keep learning, and you'll see progress. So, if you've been looking for a simple way to make money from home, Amazon affiliate marketing is a great place to start. Dive in, try it out, and don't forget to have fun along the way. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips on making money online.